It's a beautiful world. What do you hope we're going to learn about it from Juno?
So Juno's science, really addresses quite a few different kinds of objectives. The primary and maybe most important objective has to do with the origin of Jupiter. How was it built? How was it made? What formed it? What happened in the early solar system that allowed Jupiter to form a little bit different than the Sun? We create a star, and then somehow from the leftovers we make the planets. And Jupiter's the first planet. It's got most of the leftovers. I can take everything else and it goes inside Jupiter, right? All the other planets, asteroids, comets, everything don't add up to Jupiter. So it took most of the material. So that it's that first step between the transition of making a star and making the solar system. I mean, we're really after the recipe for the solar system. How do you make them? How do you make our solar system? How do you make the other ones that are out there that we're discovering around other stars? And Jupiter kind of holds that first key secret for us. And what we're doing is investigating its interior structure, whether there's a core of heavy elements in the middle of it, what's the water abundance, how much oxygen is inside Jupiter, what are the deep dynamics, what's going on in the deep atmosphere, how deep are the zones and belts go, what's the roots to the Great Red Spot, how is it structured inside, what makes the magnetic field, and finally, how does the polar magnetosphere work? These are the most powerful auroral emissions in the entire solar system.